Right now, as you watch this video, something is happening inside your brain that you cannot feel. No pain, no warning, no alarm, yet tiny connections between brain cells are slowly weakening. Waste products from daily brain activity are building up. Cells that should be repaired tonight may stay damaged if your brain doesn't get what it needs. And one day, you may notice something small. You walk into a room and suddenly forget why you came there. You search for a word you've used your entire life, and it just won't come. Most people call this normal aging. But here is the truth. Much of this decline is not simply age, it is lack of repair, because every single night your brain tries to fix itself. While you sleep, your brain turns on a powerful cleaning and rebuilding system. Toxic waste is flushed out, damaged cells are repaired, memory connections are strengthened. It is like an overnight maintenance crew working quietly while you rest. But here is the problem nobody talks about. That repair crew needs materials. If those materials are missing, repairs don't happen. The cleanup slows down, damage accumulates, memory weakens. And after age 60, this happens faster because the body absorbs nutrients less efficiently. So what you eat in the evening can determine whether your brain repairs itself tonight or continues to decline. And no, I am not talking about expensive supplements or miracle pills. I am talking about 5 everyday foods available in any grocery store. Foods that directly support brain repair during sleep. Today, I will show you exactly how this nighttime repair system works, and the 5 foods that help keep your memory sharp after 60. Some of this may surprise you, some may challenge what you've heard before, but everything I share today is backed by real scientific research. So stay with me, because this information could change how your brain ages over the next decade. Many people think sleep is when the brain shuts down. Actually, the opposite is true. During deep sleep, your brain becomes extremely active, but in a different way. During the day, your brain handles decisions, movement, emotions, and conversations. At night, it switches into maintenance mode. 2 major things happen. First, your brain cleans itself. Scientists discovered a system called the glymphatic system, basically your brain's cleaning network. During deep sleep, spaces between brain cells expand, allowing fluid to wash away waste that builds up during the day. One of those wastes is beta amyloid, the sticky protein linked to Alzheimer's disease. Everyone produces it. The danger happens when the brain can't remove it fast enough. And after 60, this cleaning system slows down. Waste begins to accumulate year after year. Second, your brain strengthens memories. Experiences from the day get replayed, sorted, and stored properly. Important connections grow stronger. Unnecessary ones are removed. This process is why good sleep improves memory. But both of these systems require nutrients. Healthy cell membranes, neurotransmitters, anti-inflammatory compounds, energy production, and aging bodies often don't supply enough of them. That's where these foods come in. Each one supports a different part of brain repair. Let's start with the first food, and it's probably not what you expect. Food number 1, wild salmon, the brain rebuilder. You've heard fish is good for the brain, but here's what most people don't know. Every brain cell is wrapped in a fatty membrane that controls communication between cells. If these membranes weaken, signals become slow and messy. Memories don't form as easily. And after 60, a critical fat called DHA naturally declines in the brain. Wild salmon happens to be one of the richest sources of DHA on Earth. And unlike plant sources, the DHA in salmon is ready for the brain to use immediately. But salmon offers another major advantage. It contains a powerful antioxidant called astaxanthin, the compound giving salmon its pink color. Unlike many antioxidants, this one actually enters the brain. There, it protects delicate brain cells from damage while nighttime repair happens. And salmon also provides vitamin B12, essential for maintaining nerve insulation, so signals travel quickly between brain cells. Low B12 levels are strongly linked to brain shrinkage and memory decline. So salmon helps in 3 ways. It rebuilds cell membranes, it protects them from damage, and it keeps nerve signals strong. Try to eat wild salmon 2 or 3 times per week, ideally with dinner so nutrients are available during sleep. Now let's move to the second food. And this one surprises almost everyone. Food number 2, tart cherries, the sleep trigger. If salmon provides materials, tart cherries make sure repair actually happens, because they help control sleep itself. Tart cherries are one of the few natural food sources of melatonin, the hormone that signals your body it's time to sleep. And melatonin does more than make you sleepy. It's also one of the brain's strongest antioxidants. But after 60, melatonin production drops sharply. Sleep becomes lighter, you wake more often, deep sleep shrinks. And that's exactly when brain repair suffers. Research shows older adults drinking tart cherry juice gained over an hour of extra sleep per night. That means more time for brain cleaning and memory repair. Tart cherries also contain anthocyanins, powerful compounds that reduce inflammation in the brain. Inflammation quietly damages memory centers over time. Reducing it gives your brain a safer environment to repair itself. Best timing? About 1 to 2 hours before bed. A small glass of tart cherry juice or a handful of unsweetened dried tart cherries works well. Now let's move to the most underrated brain food in the grocery store. And chances are, you already have it in your fridge. Food number 3, eggs, memory fuel that most people ignore. For years, people were told to avoid egg yolks. Doctors, magazines, and diet plans warned us that eggs were bad because of cholesterol. So millions of people started eating only egg whites. But here is what modern research has shown. By throwing away the yolk, people were also throwing away the most important nutrients for brain repair. The egg yolk contains a nutrient called choline, and your brain desperately needs it. Choline is used to produce a brain chemical called acetylcholine, which controls memory formation, learning ability, and attention. Every time you remember a name, learn something new, or recall a past event, acetylcholine is involved. The problem? After age 60, acetylcholine levels naturally decline, and when that happens, memory becomes slower, learning becomes harder, recall takes longer. In fact, many Alzheimer's medications try to slow the breakdown of acetylcholine because it is so important for memory. But medicines don't create new supply. Food does, and eggs are one of the richest natural sources available. Just 2 eggs provide nearly half the daily choline requirement for older adults. But eggs help your brain in other ways too. Egg yolks also contain vitamin D, which many seniors lack, especially if they spend less time outdoors. Vitamin D supports the hippocampus, the brain's memory center, and low vitamin D levels are linked with faster cognitive decline. Eggs also provide high-quality protein, including the amino acid tryptophan. Tryptophan helps your body produce serotonin and eventually melatonin, improving sleep quality, which means better nighttime brain repair. And here is something most people don't realize. Your brain is made of nearly 60% fat, and cholesterol is one of the materials used to build and repair brain cell connections. So avoiding all cholesterol-rich foods can actually work against brain repair. Modern studies now show dietary cholesterol from eggs has minimal effect on blood cholesterol for most people. So instead of avoiding yolks, your brain actually benefits from them. Practical advice: 2 to 3 whole eggs per day with the yolks is a simple, affordable way to support memory and nighttime brain repair, especially when eaten at dinner, so nutrients are available while your brain performs its overnight maintenance. But here's where things get even more interesting, because the next two foods don't just support brain repair, they actually help your brain replace damaged cellular machinery and improve blood flow during sleep. And most people either ignore them or eat the wrong version. Food number 4, walnuts, the brain's renewal switch. Most people think of walnuts as just a healthy snack. But when it comes to brain health, walnuts do something much deeper. They don't just protect brain cells, they actually help your brain renew itself. Let's make this simple. Inside every brain cell are tiny energy factories called mitochondria. These structures produce the energy your brain needs for thinking, remembering, and repairing itself. But as we age, these mitochondria become damaged. And when that happens, brain cells produce less energy and more harmful waste. When energy drops, your brain's nighttime repair process slows down. Memory weakens and mental sharpness declines. This is where walnuts become powerful. Walnuts contain natural compounds that your gut converts into a substance called urolithin A. Urolithin A activates a process known as mitophagy. In simple terms, mitophagy is your cell's cleanup system. It removes old, damaged mitochondria and replaces them with new, healthy ones. So instead of running on worn-out energy systems, your brain cells get refreshed power sources. And this renewal process happens most actively while you sleep. That's why eating walnuts in the evening can be especially helpful. They support the brain while it performs overnight maintenance. But walnuts offer more benefits. They are rich in plant-based omega-3 fats and powerful antioxidants that help reduce inflammation in the brain, another major factor in memory decline. Large long-term studies have also shown that people who regularly eat nuts, especially walnuts, tend to maintain better cognitive performance as they age. And here's an interesting coincidence. When you crack open a walnut, it looks strikingly similar to the human brain, with 2 hemispheres and folds resembling brain tissue. For centuries, people believed foods resembling body organs were beneficial for those organs. In the case of walnuts and the brain, modern science seems to agree. Practical advice: a small handful daily, about 14 walnut halves, is enough to gain benefits. Eating them with dinner or as an evening snack works well, since the beneficial compounds are processed overnight while your brain is in repair mode. Consistency matters more than quantity. Eating a small amount regularly works better than eating a lot occasionally. Food number 4, walnuts, the brain's renewal switch. Food number 5, spinach, the delivery system your brain depends on. The final food on this list completes the entire brain repair system. Because even if your brain has the right repair materials and good sleep, those nutrients still need to reach the brain efficiently. And this becomes harder as we age. Over time, blood vessels can become less flexible, and blood flow to the brain may slowly decrease. When blood flow drops, fewer nutrients and less oxygen reach brain cells during sleep, exactly when repair should be happening. This is where spinach becomes extremely important. Spinach is naturally rich in dietary nitrates. In your body, these nitrates are converted into nitric oxide, a compound that relaxes and widens blood vessels. This improves circulation, including blood flow to the brain. Better blood flow means more oxygen reaching brain cells, more nutrients delivered during sleep, and more efficient nighttime repair. But spinach does more than improve circulation. It is also one of the best natural sources of magnesium, a mineral many older adults lack. Magnesium helps calm the nervous system and promotes deeper, more restful sleep. Without enough magnesium, sleep becomes lighter, and people wake more often during the night, reducing the time the brain has to repair itself. Magnesium also supports the strengthening of brain connections that are responsible for learning and memory. Spinach also provides natural folate, a nutrient essential for brain cell repair and neurotransmitter production. During sleep, your brain uses folate in processes that repair DNA and maintain healthy neural communication. And there's more. Spinach contains vitamin K, which helps maintain the protective insulation around nerve fibers, allowing brain signals to travel quickly and clearly. It also provides vitamin E, an antioxidant that protects brain cell membranes from damage as repair takes place overnight. So, spinach supports brain health in several ways. It improves blood flow, supports deep sleep, helps repair brain cells, and protects nerve connections. Practical advice? Aim for 1 cup of cooked spinach or about 2 cups of fresh spinach daily, ideally with dinner. Cooking spinach actually improves absorption of many of its nutrients. Lightly sautéing it with olive oil also helps your body absorb the fat-soluble vitamins more effectively. Adding spinach to your evening meal is one of the simplest ways to support your brain's overnight repair system. By now, you can see this is not just a random list of healthy foods. These 5 foods work together to create a complete nighttime brain repair system. But the most important part is still ahead, because knowing the foods is only half the solution. The real question is, how do you combine them in the right way so your brain gets maximum repair while you sleep? And this is exactly where most people make mistakes. Now let's bring everything together into something simple and practical, because this doesn't need to be complicated. You don't need special diets, expensive supplements, or strict rules. You just need a simple evening pattern that gives your brain what it needs before sleep. Here's what an ideal brain-supporting evening could look like. For dinner, aim to include a serving of wild salmon 2 or 3 times per week, a portion of cooked spinach or dark leafy greens, 2 whole eggs during the day with at least 1 meal in the evening, a small handful of walnuts as part of dinner or an evening snack. Then, about 1 to 2 hours before bed, drink a small glass of tart cherry juice or eat unsweetened tart cherries. That's it. No complicated recipes, no strict measurements, just consistent habits. If you found this helpful, share this video with someone you care about, because the people who need this information most often never hear it. And if you want more practical ways to protect memory and stay mentally sharp as you age, make sure you subscribe to Seniors Health Secret. Take care of your brain tonight, and it will take care of you tomorrow. I'll see you in the next video.